Hi all, welcome to my channel V2Excel. I'm Akanksha and today I have come with a very important and advanced function, SUMPRODUCT. So though we really don't use much, but it has many different application and we can definitely use it in our daily routine work and can make our work very fast and eliminate the use of helper columns. So in this video I will just talk about the basic, and yes, be there till the last. I have a bonus tip for you. So basically it's an array formula. It works in an array. What is array? A range we see in an Excel is an array. So when I use array 1 and array 2 and want to calculate, so what SUMPRODUCT does, it make a calculation inside between the arrays and come with a product. So for example, if I take some product of array 1 and array 2, so it will multiply the both 1 into 4, 2 into 5 and so on, and then give me the sum of these. Okay, so this is the very basic example and I will tell you some few basic application of SUMPRODUCT. So let's say I have a store here and I have an account of membership in each store. First, I will focus on this. For example, I want to calculate how many characters are there in this whole range. So the basic thing, you will go for a len formula and you will take every formula here and take the total. So you will using a helper column, right? So we will eliminate this, and what I'll do, I will use SUMPRODUCT len. See, it has come 80. So if you see a, b plus 7, 2 plus 7 plus space 8, 8, and there are 10 like that, so it's 80, right? I didn't use any helper column for that. Now I will go on another example. Let's say I want to know the total of AB stores. So this plus this one and this one. So how I will take a total of it. So now let me tell you how this SUMPRODUCT is actually working. Why I'm putting two minus sign, because when I'm doing this as a array or a range and giving a condition AB store, it will calculate as true or false. So it will go in this range and see if it's true or if it's false. So when I put minus sign before it, so minus sign will make it 1 or 0, right? So 0 and 1 as a numeric value. And when I take the second range here, it will multiply with it. So I'll show you. If I select this range and press F9, so you see all the range numbers have come, right? And when I take this selection and do F9, it has come true false. So the AB store first is true. It is calculated as 1 because minus sign is there. So 1 multiplied by this 3, 4, 5, 6. Then false have become 0. It multiplied with the second one because it's BI store. It becomes 0. So only 3 true are there. This one, this one, this one. So this multiplied with 1, this multiplied with 1, and this multiplied with 1, and the summation of 3 stores come up. So this how the SUMPRODUCT works. You will say, Akanksha, you can use sum if. Right, you can use sum if. But now here is the time for that bonus tip. I will take a new sheet. Let's say Control N. Okay. First I will use sum if here. And here I will use SUMPRODUCT. Okay. So when I use sum if, my range will be, when I'm taking a reference in different sheet, you can observe that, and my criteria will be AB store, and my sum range will be this. Agree? Fine. Now I will use SUMPRODUCT equal
SUMPRODUCT. I will use 2 minus sign. Why? I will tell you later. Now I will take my array. What is my array?
So here it is the answer. So you can see the answer is correct. So why I'm using some product then some if? I'll show you now. I will close this sheet. Okay. So I'll save as a book 4 on desktop, and I will close this also. Now I will go and open my book 4 where I made the formula. I will say update and see. Now the answer is not there, it's showing value because the sheet from where I have taken reference have been closed, but here still the formula is there. So that's the beauty of SUMPRODUCT. That's why you will be using SUMPRODUCT. Okay, so if you are making any dashboard in different sheet and using a lot of background sheets, so you will use SUMPRODUCT, not SUMIF, right? This is the bonus tip and very beautiful feature of SUMPRODUCT. So guys, stay tuned with me in further videos also, because we will be going to use the more advanced application of SUMPRODUCT and see how it can be more beneficial, time saver and useful for us. Show your love, like it, share it and subscribe it. Take care and thank you.